Hey guys, today I'm going to tell you how to fix could not sign in authentication failed in media and app purchases on iPhone. If you're using an iPhone and you're facing the issue that whenever you try to sign in media and purchases and your app store and you're facing the issue that you could not sign in or authentication failed, so let's see some possible fixes for this. So the very first thing, you just have to try to connect with the different stable and strongest network connection. So if there will be any network issue, it might be fixed in this tab. After doing this, you have to simply go to settings, then go to general here, go to VPN and device management, and just make sure that you're not connected to any kind of VPN. If you're connected, just try to disconnect with that. After disconnecting VPN, simply go back from here and just go to language and region option, select region and select your own region from here. Then go back and go to software update. Just try to update your software. After updating software, simply go back and here go to date and time section. Enable this toggle to set your date and time automatically. Again, go back and I recommend you have to try to reset your network settings. So if there will be any network issue, it might be fixed in this tab, so you will not get the issue again. So tap on transfer reset iPhone, select reset, then select reset network settings. Enter iPhone passcode and the select recent network settings from the confirmation message pop-up. If you reset all of your network settings, if there will be any issue with your iPhone network, it will be fixed in this step and you'll not get the issue again. So after resetting your network setting, I recommend you have to try to make a forced reset with your iPhone before you retry. So just quickly press and release your volume up, then volume down, then press and hold the power button and wait for your phone until its screen goes fully black. And here, once you get the black screen, you just have to wait for Apple logo. And once you get the Apple logo, just simply release the button and wait for your phone until it restarts. After restarting, just unlock your phone. And here you have to retry to check if your issue has been fixed or not. So if it's just a network issue, it might be fixed in this step and you will not get the issue again. Or if you're still facing the same issues, you can try to double check your password which you're trying to use and you're signing in or logging in with your app purchases. So I recommend you how to try to change your Apple ID password. So go to your settings, tap on your Apple ID, and here just tap on sign in and security, and here just select change password, and just enter your iPhone passcode, and then select change password. Or from here you have to change your Apple ID password. So you have to try to enter your new password here, then retype your new password. So after that, your password must have been changed. After changing your password, so you can retry to check if your issue has been fixed or not. So your issue might have been fixed. Or if it's still not fixed your issue, so there's only way. You have to simply go to your Apple Store app. You can easily install this app from your App Store. You can use Apple Store Web. And here just search for Apple Store. Just open the first website from here, and here just select iPhone or the device which you're using. So now just scroll down and look for get support option. So just tap on this get support option here, and it might open in your support app if you have installed. So select iPhone again, select more option, then select App Store, and just wait for the loading, and then you have to select get more help, then tap on colors. So after that, you'll find a phone number. Whenever you want to talk, you have to simply dial this phone number, and you will be connected with the Apple support team member. You can discuss about your issue and get official help from there. So after that, your issue will be fixed. Thank you very much for watching the video. Until next video, bye bye.